Hello viewers, this is computer 3 of 4 that we're going to attempt to recover data off of. This one is an Acer, whatever you want to call it. Aspire 3680-2682. Had a Celeron processor for 1.86 gigahertz. Hard drive is pretty small, 512 RAM. BG wireless, haven't seen that one in a while. It did come with the Microsoft's Windows Vista Home Basic, and there's the date 0704. I don't know how that's read. Could be 2004, could be 2007, I don't know. I'm a little bit upset with myself because I bought a power cord for this one, up specifically for this computer, a universal one, and then I discovered that I had a power cord that'll fit this kicking around upstairs. I guess the universal power cord is a good thing to have anyways, but probably wouldn't have spent the money right now that I'm not working. Anyways, let's go ahead and plug this thing in and let's see what happens. I'm not working because the whole coronavirus freak show is still going on. It's starting to get better, I think. I don't know when we're going to be able to return to some level of normalcy. Who knows? Okay, so let's open this thing up here. It's a little bit difficult. I don't know what that is. Involink signal up. Okay. And this one actually looks like it's in pretty decent condition. The screen is kind of dirty, but the keyboard doesn't look too worn out. There's some crumb or something on it right there, but otherwise it's not too bad. Let's see what the specification is here. It's all just some bunch of mumbo jumbo baloney. High efficiency antenna technology, okay. Windows Vista Basic, Celeron inside. Okay, let's go ahead and power this thing up. Let's see what transpires. It's an awful glare. The screen is very dim. Oh, that's interesting. We have Linux on here as well. Let's go into Windows Vista first and see what we can do. Classic. Okay, let's try the I guess we could try the safe mode. I've never really had and we can do this too. I've never really had good results with this either. I think this is a bunch of nonsense. It usually doesn't do any good. Okay. Ah, we got a cursor now at least. The hard drive light is going away. Or it's not, it's flashing, it's on, steady. Okay, something's coming up now. Okay, now we have to do this. This computer is very, very slow. And it's not there. Okay. This also I've never really found to do any good, but we'll give it a try just for the fun of it. Oh, that's cool. The power cord just disconnected. Okay, well, forget about that. Let's try the, or did the whole computer just die? What in the world? I think that plug is not exactly the right size. Yeah, it's not. Well, let's see if we can get into the Linux on here. And if not, I will just take the drive out, see if I can read any data, and we'll go from there. Okay, so we're going to recover this one manually because I have other things to do today. So, let's see. I think the hard drive is pretty easy to remove in this. Don't want anybody stealing this copy of Windows Vista. Oh no. Okay, so probably we just have to remove those two screws there, and then we'll be able to pull the drive out. And then once I can read the data off of it, we can try to recover the Windows installation for whatever it's worth. Okay. Oh, it's a SATA. I wasn't expecting that. I thought this was old enough to be IDE. Say Hitachi, don't cover the whole, 5400 RPM. Alright, so we'll recover that, and then I'll come back on this video once I've recovered what I can from that, and we'll try to reinstall the factory recovery image. I think it looked like it had one. So for whatever it's worth, let's see if we can recover here. I believe Alt F10 is the secret handshake to get into the recovery partition if there is one. That's certainly not helpful. This may not have recovery, I don't even know. That's not what I wanted. No, that's the regular install. Yeah, I'm not seeing this doing what I want. It's possible that the recovery partition got hosed up when they did the Ubuntu install, and because of the fact that this is kind of flaky, I think we're not going to spend any more time on this. So unless the customer says they don't want it back, this will probably be the last time this makes an appearance on video. If they don't want it back, maybe I'll try to install something just for curiosity, but that's going to be it for that one.